So, hello, welcome back guys to my channel CS Complete Knowledge. Today's videos is about filter. In this video I am going to tell you how you can use filters in your Excel. Filter is nothing but it is a way through which you can sort your data according to your choice, like ascending order, descending order, which name you want, which name you don't want, like alphabetical order, and by any way you can sort your data using filters. So first you have to know where will be the filter through in on the screen from where we can do the work. First on the home you can see here filter is given. So by clicking on filter you can start your work. Another is from a data. So just click on data and then you can see here filter is there. So this two way is from the screen and third way is the shortcut control plus shift plus L. Also you can use for the filter to start your work. Now I am going to tell you and how to apply filters on these things. So just select the line where you want to apply the filter. So first line I want to apply the filter, selected, and just click on filter. So you can see for all the things where whichever I selected, the drop down is applied. So first I will show you filters on the serial number. See, this serial number are according to the serial 1 to 10. Now from the smallest to largest it will show you same, from largest to smallest. It is a descending order. Okay. Now more important things I will tell you filters on the text. So just click on the second drop down, that is names, and in this first sort data A to Z, like alphabetical order, ascending order, from name A first will come, second B will come, like that. So you can see A, B, C, D, like that it is came. Now this is for a descending order. See U, S, S, R, M, M, D, like that it is came. If you want back to same data, just click on clear filter. Every times whenever you want to do clear it filter. Now second thing is that here all the data is selected. This select all the data. I want first and second. This two data I want. See, only two data is on the screen, other is invisible. Now again clear. Now here just click it on this and now this select. I want this and these three data. So see, these three data is in on the screen. Again click on clear, everything will go. Click on this. Now text filter one by one I will tell you how you can apply. Equal, this is the equal means which you want on the screen, like this name Sony I want on the screen. So see, only Sony's detail is left on the screen, other is just invisible from the screen, or you can say it is clear from the screen. Just click on clear, again the data will come. Now next one is the do not equal. Do not equal means the opposite of equal, which name from this you don't want, like Rajkumar I don't want, it will go, other will be here only. See, no, Rajkumar is now not there in the name list. Okay, again clear. See, Rajkumar is came. Now again click here and next we can go for begins with what, start with, like alphabet A I will write. With A whatever the names will be there, it will be there on the screen, other will be not there. See, so only Alok detail is serial number 1, Alok, Kabir, Drishti, English, Telangana, and 50 number. So like this it will show you from the beginning. Now next is second, again we can see just for C, alphabet C. So with C how many names are there, check, only one name is there. So like this you can also do. Now next is end with. Now I want the name which end with any alphabets. So like K. So check K. With K only two names are there, Deepak and Alok. Again clear it. Now again we can go for this and filter and contains. Go to the contents. Contents means what content you want on the screen, what you don't want. I want only Manu on the screen. See, only Manu is left on the screen, other is invisible from the screen. So this is very easy. Again click on clear and go to the filter, text filter, and do not contain. Do not contain is opposite, what you don't want. So Manisha I don't want. So see, there is no Manisha in the name list. So clear it again, click on this and again go to text filter and custom filter. Now custom filter is what? Custom filter means any two names if you want, like same title, like or same what you can say surname, like that. So here since I didn't give any surname, just I give name. So I want two name, first and the last. First is the Usha, second last is the Alok. Okay, so click on or and here just you select equal, click on OK. So these two names only left, other are not visible on the screen. So clear it again. Now again click on names and go to filter. Same thing, again you want any other name like Manu and Bala. Okay, here equal, here or, and okay. See, two names only left on the screen. Clear it. Now this is clear, this is completed. Now I will show you for the subject. Like this select, I want computer only. So whoever student taken computer, that will be only on the screen. See, yes. Same way, see the city I will deselect, I want Delhi. So Delhi student only will be visible, other will be not there on the screen. Clear. Now from the names, numbers I will show you. This is ascending order, smallest to largest. This is descending order from largest to smallest. Now other things you can just see it here. Go to the filter and okay, first see this numbers, deselect. I want first and 10th number only. So first and 10th are there on the screen. Okay, clear. And again go to filter, number filter, and now I want equal, the number which will be equal to. So which are the equal number, same number. So 5, just see. So 5 is the equal number, other are different numbers. Click clear. Then do not equal, so just take 11. 11 is the equal number? No, 11 is not a equal number, so just it is swing like this. So clear. Again number filter, greater than. Now I want some greater number, greater than 15. 15 number is not there, but it will show you what are the number greater than. So only one number, that is 50 is greater than 15. Now second, greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to, I will take 10. So if 10 is equal to 10, it will come, or whatever the greater number, that will also come. So see, 10 also came, and whatever the greater number, that also came. Now next is greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to, so I will take 14. 14 don't have an equal number, greater number 50. So see, yeah, clear. Now less than number, if you want to find, like less than 10. Less than 10, what are the numbers is there? See, these numbers are less than 10, so it is showing on the screen. Now next is less than or equal to, 1. 1, see, only 1. So there is no less than number. If 0 will be there, it will show you. Now next will be Between means like 1 to 5. Okay, 1 to 8. 1 to 8, between which numbers are there? So see, 1, 5, 5 and 6. These number are between that two numbers. Now next is top. In top 10 it is showing. In this through this top you can find out the top number, like top 6 numbers I want. So see, these are the top 6 numbers. This is very easy. If you do carefully, it will come for you. Now next is the average, below average, custom filter. These all the filters which you can apply on while you are doing calculations, like calculating mark sheet or any subject, different subject marks. There you want maximum, minimum, less than, greater than, everything you want. There you can use this all the filters. This what I am telling, this is the basic filter. If you want advanced filters is also there, that I will tell you in the next video. So if you want to use these filters in your Excel sheet for the easiest work, then please watch this video. And if you want to learn properly from the starting to ending, you have to watch the video. Otherwise you are not going to get what is going in the video. So if you like the video, please don't forget to share the video, share it, subscribe it, like it. Thanks for watching.